today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your WhatsApp link not open or your YouTube link sent by your friend on your WhatsApp and you cannot open it. So to fix this problem, make sure to watch this full video. So let's say somebody sends me a YouTube video link on my WhatsApp, or I send somebody a YouTube video link on WhatsApp. So if it doesn't open, like sometimes we click on that link multiple times and it still doesn't open. So the first way to fix it is, so let's suppose this is a link sent by him to me. So if I click on this link and it doesn't open, then one way to fix it is hold on the link. And after you hold on the link, there should be this thing open up. Over here, you can click on this at the top and click on copy. After you copy the link, go to your message at the bottom and paste it again. And as you guys can see, once you do this, it's going to show up like this. So paste the link and the video should be shown up over here like this. So just copy the link and paste it via your chat and it should pop up over here like this. And if it still doesn't opens, if you click on it multiple times, then what you can do is copy the link like I did just right now and go to your Chrome browser, and on your Chrome browser paste the link which you just copied right now. And after pasting the link, search for it and the thing should open up, the YouTube video should open up. And if it doesn't open up even after you copy it, then the fault could be of the link, like the person who has sent you the link must have sent you the wrong link, or like the link doesn't open. So that's basically it, how you can fix your WhatsApp link not opening problem.